Building authority content in any niche with AI is a game changer, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy for using AI to create content that establishes authority, saves you time, and sets you up for success. First, let's talk about how AI can give you a huge head start. The right AI tools can research and organize content quickly, making sure you're always on top of the latest trends in your niche. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media content, AI can do the heavy lifting when it comes to gathering the most relevant information. And trust me, this is the secret weapon for building authority, staying relevant. Now let's dive into the steps for building authority content. Start by choosing your niche and identifying the core problems your audience faces. Use AI to research what people are actively searching for, what questions they're asking, and what content is already out there. AI can gather this in seconds, and it'll give you a clear map of what's missing in your niche. This is where you step in and fill that gap with valuable, unique content. Next, use AI to generate content ideas that are proven to resonate with your audience. Most content creation platforms can analyze existing data and suggest trending topics. With AI, you're not just guessing what might work, you're leveraging data-backed insights that align with what people want to know. Once you've got your content plan, it's time to create. AI can help you draft content quickly. Whether you need a detailed blog post or a social media caption, you can use AI to generate drafts that are already optimized for engagement. This makes the writing process faster and more efficient, so you can spend more time refining and less time staring at a blank screen. And don't worry, you still have full creative control to add your personal touch. After your content is created, you'll want to optimize it for SEO to help it rank better and reach a wider audience. AI can analyze keywords, structure, and readability, making suggestions that will increase your content's visibility. Think of it like having an assistant who's always up to date on the best SEO practices. But here's the kicker. AI doesn't just help you create content, it can also help you engage with your audience. Use AI tools to interact with your community, respond to comments, and analyze feedback. Engaging with your audience is critical to building authority, and with AI, you can do it at scale without losing the personal touch. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that I've tried all the popular software for this task, and the one I recommend is linked in the description below. It's exclusive to viewers of this channel, so you can get a free trial and follow along with me. If you want to build authority content in your niche, this is the software I trust to do it efficiently. Here's your key takeaway. To build authority content with AI, focus on researching the right topics, creating valuable content quickly, optimizing for SEO, and engaging with your audience. That's the process to not only create high-quality content, but also establish your authority in any niche. Remember, if you want to follow along, grab your exclusive free trial from the link below. This is your chance to take action and elevate your content strategy. Thanks for watching.